I know you're on this page right now because you're interested in actually making money in this economy. I know that you're sick and tired of trying program after program after program, or all the hype of real estate opportunities and business courses that just don't work. See, I know that you're sick and tired of trying my program and you'll have a yacht next week. You want to work. You want a real system, a proven formula that actually works in today's market. You want a reputable person and a company that you can trust. Hi, my name is Sam, and I'm with Short Sale Pros here in San Diego, California. And as we all know right now, there's many different facets of real estate that you can focus on. You can do commercial real estate. You can cash flow properties, do rehabs, foreclosures, even do tax liens. But the thing is, very, very successful people like Trump, they always say the same thing. You've got to follow one course until successful. You have to focus. See, when you can master any particular niche, you're setting yourself up for massive success. You can make big money when you become an expert. I spent so much time at the courthouse steps trying to buy these properties at foreclosure and sell them for profit, and then I realized there was actually a way to cut directly to the lender. There was a way I didn't have to go and fight everybody at the courthouse steps to buy these properties, and that's called short sales. See, a short sale is when the lender actually gives you a discount on the property so you can purchase it directly from them so they don't have to go through the foreclosure process and incur all those crazy, outrageous fees that are involved with it. What we do is we buy short sales now, work directly with the lender, and we're making huge money doing it. See, you actually have a chance right now. You can go out and help homeowners get out from these properties, avoid the foreclosure, and really help save their credit. At the same time, you can sell properties to people at great prices, and altogether, you're going to make a huge profit doing it. We're talking about big spreads here, and you never have to jeopardize any of your own money or your credit. You don't even have to know how to do it. We can partner with you and show you how to get it done. See, our company actually has a solution. We have all the right relationships with the title companies, with the escrow companies, the banks, the lenders, everybody. We know how to get it done. What you need to do is be interested. I mean, seriously interested. And I know that you are in making money in this economy. See, right now, you have a chance to go out and purchase properties at big discounts and turn around and sell them for big profits and keep doing it over and over and over again, never jeopardizing any of your money out of your pocket. Let us be your guide. My clients are having success with this model, with short sales and my system all over the country. So if you really want to follow someone that has the system that you can plug into and has gone from 0 to 300 deals in less than 1 year, all you need to do is simply enter your information in the box to the right, and I'm going to show you exactly what it takes to be successful. I'm going to give you over $1,000 in bonus material just for joining. All you need to do is enter your information in the box to the right, and I'm going to give you everything you need to actually be successful in this market. I'm going to give you over $1,000 in free bonuses. We're talking about videos, forms, charts, and scripts, everything that you need for ultimate success. You seriously have nothing to lose. So simply put your information in the box to the right, and I'll see you at the next page, and we're really going to go out and make it happen in this economy together.